Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 12th, and this is my market recap of the Euro-US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord community. It is at the end of this video down here in the corner and in the description. If you would like to check out my membership program, you do so at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Get you access to all these benefits listed down here below and more. So, anyways, today was CPI inflation data today. Very, very volatile day, actually. Now, initially, CPI caused a big push down, and I guarantee there's a ton of retail traders that got trapped in that. But because this over here was the end of a correction, we knew that it was okay to hold on and potentially even get in again. Now, it definitely does have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look, and it is starting to turn down. Hopefully, this is not an ABC correction to this last move down, and hopefully it doesn't start back down. Definitely is a possibility. I am definitely still looking at this as hopefully being a wave one, this down here a wave two, and I'm hoping that this makes higher highs, higher lows, and a big old wave three over the coming weeks and months. Potentially a big turn on the higher time frames. If it does break structure to the downside, it's going to neglect that count, and we definitely want to go back to looking for shorts. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you and happy trading.